Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca. We're here today to do another break. And I'm still getting used to this new camera. So this is actually supposed to be in 4K. I don't know if that helps anything, but today I got these for my birthday. Extended series. Now, I've always liked the little treasures, as you can see in the background, that these guys that they come out with in the extended series, the retros and all that. They have some interesting ones in here, but what I'm to understand is you're lucky if you can get a single Young Gun in any of these. These are, apparently they got the green dazzlers. This is the first time I've been doing blasters for a while because I don't like the price of them. Unfortunately, you see, you get these dealers that hike up the price looking for a Bedard, and they're selling these for like 70 bucks, 85 bucks I've seen them at. That's crazy. Go to Walmart. You're paying 40 bucks a blaster. I don't even like that price, which is why I don't do blasters anymore usually. Hey, we got the French there, yeah. Green dazzlers. Anyways, yeah. This Bedard crazy is the dealers are going nuts. So you get 4 packs, 12 cards per pack. And I've noticed you can't get any jumbos anymore. Terrible. So we got 8 packs here. Total. That's one of the reasons why I don't get blasters. 40 bucks. What are these, like 10 bucks a pack now? Okay, well, let's see what treasures we get today. And Stahl, Dadonov, and Dren, Akiri. And we have, what do we have? Oh, UD3. This is a die cut. Interesting. This is the first time that I've opened up any of these extended series this year. That's pretty cool. And there's the, Seeing Red, which I've been seeing a lot of. And it's Trevor Zekas. And, oh, Brock Faber, Retro Young Gun. Taylor Hall, Hoffman, Moore, Kucherev, and Logan Thompson. Borgen, Lorenz, Rasmus Dahlin, Tarasenko, Gudis, and Seeing Red, Sebastian Aho, and Quinn Hughes Green Dazzler. And there's the 2020 draft, Tyson Forrester. Now do those count as rookie cards now? I don't know. Ryan Sutter, Kaprizov, which is over there, and Velarde, and Verana. Saucy. You can have some Kadri, Barkov. Some of these, I don't know. Barkov. Do you get French ones in the retail? Stuart Skinner, and we we got a SPX Hollow View of Matt Murray. And Silver Skates. This is a die cut here too. And who we got here? Elias Pettersson. And a rookie of Pavel. Better look at the back. Minikop. That's a Beehive Retro. Okay. Nick Cousins, Horvats, Opozo, Morrissey, and Sheshkerson. And that's basically one blaster here. The last packet of the first blaster. Ryan Graves, Hollebuck, Sandine, Hayes, Clifton, and a black diamond of Dustin Wolf. Oh, is that just like, yeah, it's one diamond. Okay. A little bit different rookie gems. And, ooh, we got a gold Sam Reinhart Seeing Red. That's nice. And Young Gun of Riker Evans. Mitch Marner, Kapari, Kachuk, and Camp. It is better just to go and get what you can from this year. Second series, extended series from the Upper Deck store. They do have a Canadian Depot, so you can get stuff from the Canadian Depot as well. Also, Walmart is cheaper than what these guys, these dealers are charging right now for Series 2 and extended. Mackenzie Blackwood, Trevor Lewis, Nyquist, Matt Duchesne, and we got another of these die cuts, Silver Skates. Who is this? Can't see. Kyle Connor. Cool. Seeing Red, Marcel. Oh, Marcel Dion. Oh, wow. A legend. And we have Zach Benson, Beehive Rookie. Ganji Goudreau, Pitlick, Myers, Eric Carlson, and Chernagonovich. I think I said that right. Hakanpää, which we're still waiting to see if he's going to be playing with the Leafs. Vasilevsky, Ekman Larson, but he is playing with the Leafs. James Van Riemsdyk, Proteus, and Ivan Barbashev, the Green Dazzler. And Young Guns, Ryan Johnson, what is this? And we got a canvas of Drake Batherson. I think that's what everybody's going for. They're trying to get the Bedard canvas. Bobile, and JT Compter, Marino, and Michael Bunting, formerly. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Can I get it? I got 2 more packs here. So getting it at the Walmart price is probably the best idea. Fiala, Larkin, York, Gergensons, and Amico Ratinen, SPX, Holtview. And we got, oh, another one of these UD3s. Who is this of? Aren't these numbered? These are normally numbered, right? Can't see. Justin Sudarov? Is that how you pronounce it? Yeah, usually these are numbered. I guess not this year. Or I don't see it anyways. Anyways. And oh, there, whoa, ho, ho, ho. Wow, really? Connor Bedard, Retro Young Guns. Corpusalo, that just made my day. Eric Johnson, Max Domi, Bugastad, and Yakamoto. That threw me, but you see, my wife seems to be very lucky. She picked these up, and she got a Bedard. There's a long history with that. The wife, for example, is the one that discovered my Connor McDavid canvas, Young Gun canvas. Brosiet, Varlamov, Noziak, Orlov, Bertuzzi, no longer with the Leafs. Pavel Zacha, that's a 1 diamond, black diamond. And Seeing Red Gold again on Leon Draisaitl, cool. And Ryan Winterton, sounds right. Tessier, Mark Stahl, Klingberg. Yeah, he didn't play very much with the Leafs. And Leon Draisaitl. Well, that's it, guys. That is 2 blasters of the extended series. And the luck of my wife is hit again. Ryan Winterton, gold, Leon Draisaitl, Seeing Red, and Pavel Zacha, black diamond. Connor Bedard, Young Guns retro. It's pretty good shape too. Yeah, I'll be getting that into a sleeve right away. These UD3s, which usually are numbered, I don't see any number on these. So it's hard to read the name too. Anyways, all of you, Mikko Rantanen, UD Canvas of Drake Batherson, Ryan Johnson, Barbasiev, and Zach Benson. And there's a Seeing Red, Marcel Dion, and Connor, Silver Skates. Riker Evans, Seeing Red Gold on Sam Reinhart. Dustin Wolf, Black Diamond retro, and a Beehive retro, Pavel Mintyukov. Am I saying that right? Elias Pettersson, Silver Skates, and Matt Murray, Hollowview. Forrester, Quinn Hughes, Seeing Red of Sebastian Aho, and Brock Faber, Young Gun retro. Trevor Zika, Seeing Red, and another, the UD3s. This one of is it Jack Hughes? Yeah, Jack Hughes. Okay, that's what we got. We're getting up there in subscribers, so we're getting close to having our contest. Once we get to 100 subscribers, this box is going to somebody. The 2007-8 NHL Rookie Class box set. There's 50 rookies in this. Jonathan Toews, Patrick Kane, Carey Price, Jack Johnson, Nicholas Backstrom, Sam Gagner. And you get 1 oversized commemorative rookie, star rookie, whatever. Anyways, that's what goes to the winner once we get to 100 subscribers. In the meantime, if you like the video, give it a like, So if you want to be a part of these giveaways, or you just want to see more videos, subscribe. And if you have something to add, why don't you throw it down there in the comments and let's hear what you think. Okay, well, that's it for today, and we're going to be having more breaks very soon. So I'll see you later. Bye now.